if you were involved in a serious accident today? Which electric car would actually save your life? A Tesla or a BYD? Almost nobody asks this before buying, yet it could be the difference between walking away or facing something far worse. Both brands dominate the electric vehicle market and promise maximum safety, but they take completely different approaches to protecting drivers and passengers. Tesla relies on extreme rigidity and advanced autopilot systems, giving you power and technology. But too much rigidity can sometimes transfer crash forces straight to the occupants. And overconfidence in self-driving has led to real, documented accidents. BYD, on the other hand, takes a different approach. Its cars are designed to absorb impacts progressively, and its blade battery is almost impossible to ignite, even in the most severe crashes. In a serious accident, this difference could literally be life or death. In this video, we'll break down crash tests, vehicle structures, battery safety, and driver assistance systems to reveal which car genuinely protects you and which could be putting you at risk without you even realizing it. By the end, you'll discover the shocking truth about which electric car is really safer and why millions of buyers might be making the wrong choice. Stay tuned, because what you learn here could completely change your next car purchase. If you were involved in a serious accident today, which electric car would be more likely to save your life? A Tesla or a BYD? This is a question that almost no one asks before buying, yet it can change everything. Both brands dominate the global electric vehicle market, use advanced technologies, and promise maximum safety. But the truth is that they follow completely different philosophies when it comes to protecting the driver and passengers. In this video, you will understand which one truly performs better in the worst possible scenarios. We will analyze crash tests, vehicle structure, battery technology, and driver assistance systems. And at the end, there is one detail that makes many people regret their choice after the purchase. Let's start with crash tests. Both Tesla and BYD have vehicles rated 5 stars by the world's leading safety organizations, such as Euro NCAP and the NHTSA. This already shows that neither brand is weak in this area. However, 5 stars do not mean exactly the same thing in real-world situations. Tesla relies on an extremely rigid structure, largely made of aluminium, with carefully calculated crumple zones designed to keep the cabin intact. The battery is positioned in the floor, which lowers the center of gravity and dramatically reduces the risk of rollovers. In several tests, Tesla models achieve excellent results in frontal and side impacts. The problem is that too much rigidity is not always the best solution. In very severe impacts, an overly rigid structure can transfer part of the energy directly to the occupants. In these cases, safety depends heavily on the balance between strength and impact absorption. BYD follows a different philosophy. Its vehicles use structures designed to absorb energy progressively. In independent tests, models such as the Dolphin, the Atto 3, and the Seal show low cabin intrusion even in severe collisions. BYD's focus is on dissipating the force of the impact before it reaches the passengers' bodies. In short, while Tesla focuses on strength and rigidity, BYD focuses on absorption and control of impact energy. And this brings us to the biggest fear for anyone considering buying an electric car: the battery. This is where the differences between Tesla and BYD become even clearer. Tesla uses high-energy density lithium-ion batteries. They are extremely efficient, offering long range and high performance. However, when they suffer severe damage, they can enter a process known as thermal runaway, which can cause fires that are difficult to control. There are documented cases of Teslas catching fire after severe collisions, particularly when the battery is punctured or undergoes critical deformation. This does not mean that Tesla is unsafe, but rather that this type of battery requires very specific control and protection conditions. BYD, on the other hand, completely changed the game with its so-called blade battery. This battery uses LFP technology, lithium iron phosphate, which is far more thermally stable. In extreme tests, BYD pierced the battery with a steel nail, crushed it, bent it, and heated the cells. And even then, there was no explosion or fire. In practical terms, this means that in a serious accident, the risk of fire is considerably lower in a BYD than in a Tesla. And when we talk about real-world safety, this detail makes a huge difference. But safety does not depend only on structure and battery technology. It also depends on how the car helps or hinders the driver while driving. And this is where we enter the most controversial part of this comparison. Tesla is famous for autopilot and the full self-driving system. These technologies are extremely advanced and, in many scenarios, can reduce driver fatigue and help prevent accidents. The problem arises when the driver trusts the system too much. Several accidents have occurred because drivers believed the car was driving itself, when in fact, the system still requires constant attention. Tesla's technology is powerful, but it can also encourage overconfidence, especially among less experienced users. BYD takes a more conservative approach with its driver assistance systems, known as ADAS. These include automatic emergency braking, collision warnings, lane-keeping assistance, and adaptive cruise control. However, these systems are more restrictive, require the driver to remain in control at all times, and issue frequent alerts when they detect distraction. While Tesla offers more autonomy, BYD imposes more limits. And paradoxically, these limits can result in greater safety in everyday use. So, in the end, which is safer? BYD or Tesla? The answer depends on the type of risk you consider most important to avoid. BYD stands out in terms of passive safety, battery stability, and reduced fire risk in serious accidents. Tesla stands out in active technology, performance, and advanced assistance systems, provided they are used responsibly. If you are looking for the maximum level of technology and are willing to take on a greater level of responsibility behind the wheel, Tesla may be the right choice. But if you prioritize structural safety, lower risk in extreme situations, and a car that tries to protect you even when everything goes wrong, BYD offers a more conservative solution, and for many people, a safer one. Now the decision is yours. Do you prefer a car that gives you more power, or a car that imposes more limits to keep you alive? Think about that before you choose.